Okay, the far side door over there is the one that has got the busted latch and I can't get it open to put my Stow and Go seat down. But over here on this side, I've got my Stow and Go seat underneath and I can lift this one up. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this door up, and notice that when the door is open, I have access to this side of the seat cover for the other door that's broken. And this I can lift up, and when I lift it up, it actually bends it, and that's how I got this open, was by bending it. Actually pulled the door towards me a little bit, and all I did was lift this up and put some pressure on it, and it popped open. So that, if you have a busted door latch or floorboard latch, that's how you get this thing open, is you go to the opposite side right here and pull up really hard, and it'll just pop right open. And you don't have to damage the door. And then what you'll do is, when you want to replace it, you can find these things online, is right here you've got these screws that you have to just take off and just replace the part. And I've seen on some blogs where they recommend buying a couple of them, because if these things get seized up, you might as well buy two and have them in spare. Good luck.